Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn about how to convert an image into text. Just assume that you have an image of a page with text written on it like this and you have to convert it into a text or document file shown. I am going to explain 3 different ways of converting image to text. 1. OnlineOcker.net. To convert image to text, you have to open Google in your browser and then type OnlineOcker.net. Here comes the website for converting image to text. This is page of our website we'll be using to convert image to text. Now move to the Select File option here. Click it and select the file you want to convert to text. You can choose the language option. I am okay with English. You can also choose for the output format here. I'll select Microsoft Word doc file. And click on the Convert tab. Your image will be converted to text in a minute. Check your text here. The whole page of text in the image is converted to text. You can also download it by clicking the Download Output file here. Your Word file will start to download immediately. You can see that at the bottom here. Click on the downloaded file to check it. It will open as a Word file. You can check scroll down to see the whole page with editable text which you get in just few minutes. Now we'll convert the image to text by using the second method. 2. ImageCodecs.info. To convert image to text, you have to open Google in your browser and then type ImageCodecs.info. You'll get this page. Click the Browse option given here. Choose the file you want to convert to text. Once you have selected the image that you want to convert to text, click the Submit button here. The file will start uploading. While the process is going on, you can have a look at all the options this website provides you. It is very easy to use. Here your text has been extracted from the image and you can download the text file by clicking here. Your text file is downloaded. You can see. Click on the downloaded file to open it. See, the text of the image has been extracted. After this, now it is the turn of the third way we learn to convert image to text. 3. OnlineConvert.com. First open Google in your browser and type OnlineConvert.com in it. Click Enter, and you'll get this web page. This website gives you many options for conversion. You can choose the format according to your choice. Choose options that will work for you. Image JPEG to be converted to doc file. You can drag and drop the file here, or you can also select file from its location. I'll drag and drop the file here, and then the process of conversion will start and will be completed in few minutes. Click the download button here to download the file. You can see the text by clicking the downloaded file. I hope this will help you in future to convert image to text. Thanks for watching.